Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to the vlog, welcome to the channel. My name's Derek, and I like cars. Now we're going to go ahead and start this vlog off right where we left off in the last one. I'm going to be putting the new snow tires on the front of the ST, and going to go test it out before the snow melts, so we're kind of on a time crunch because it's already starting. There is my jack stands and my jack. There she is. Nice little AC Delco jack. This thing cost me like 50 or 60 bucks. It's not the best thing out there, but it definitely gets the job done. Right now I don't have a tripod, so my freezer is going to act as, well, a tripod. So, contrary to what Mighty Car Mods has always said, it does not first check out your car. In my case, since I don't have air tools, first, loosen your lug nuts. Now with that done, I'm going to go ahead and position the jack and get it going. Now that this side's jacked up and supported with the jack stand the proper way, go ahead and get this wheel taken off. And then it's going to be a little bit tricky to get the new one on because I found out they're not hub centric, so I'm going to have to line it up perfectly with the lug nuts. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea if this is on centered or not, but it's on, and I guess I'll find out if I get on the road and have horrible death wobble. Alright, just brought the jack down. Ready? Big reveal. That fills the arch really nicely. I'm happy with that. I haven't had a car with meaty-ish tires in a long time. And it doesn't look as stupid as I thought it would. It's not great, but better than expected. Alright, so with this side being done, I'm going to go ahead and knock out this side off camera and then just show you the finished product. Just like that, we're good to go. No guarantee that these are actually on-centered, but they're about as tight as I can get them, so we're just going to send it. Almost there. Woo! Let's go. Surprisingly enough, I think I managed to get them on straight. Now most of the snow's melted, so this is about all the test we get. Well, it does a lot better than the All Seasons did. It's nice to be able to turn the wheel and it actually kind of decides to go the direction you point it. It's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better. Now what happens at a corner in the dry? Well, it turns in a lot better than I expected it to. I'm actually pretty impressed with these tires. I mean, For 60 bucks, I wasn't going to complain about them anyway, but they're a lot better than I thought they'd be. Now the real test is how will they handle starting from a dead stop in snow? Oh, they're way better. Oh, they're so much better. Well, I wasn't filming at the time, but I did find out I'm going to have to be a bit careful on large bumps and dips because this one did just rub a little bit. So we'll have to be wary about that, but on the whole, very impressed. So I did just realize this is my first daytime vlog. I've only ever done stuff at night before. So I'll go ahead and give a quick walk around to this car in the day, even though it's filthy. Alright guys, comment down below what you think of my winter tire setup. I know they're not the best tires, but I'm actually really impressed with them for the price especially. If you're on a budget, land sale Winterlanders, surprisingly good. Alright, so originally I was just gonna leave it at that with the vlog, but decided we're just gonna go ahead and send it with some of my friends. Now we're just pulling up to my boy Micah's house. Fiesta gang. What's poppin', Jimbo?
What's poppin'?
Now, much like you, I too fucked up because I rolled my back windows down and those both fell off. I had to jump into traffic and get them.
Sick.
It was a good time.
Now I can rub on my dome. Walk around looking like this.
Lit. Yeah. Winter tires are fun because there's no grip when it's not snowy. So all wheel spin. So on my way to your house, I did see this road. This road is not plowed.
Sick.
So quick test to see if it's better than it was on all seasons.
Better than my Fiesta, damn.
It's 35. Doesn't even seem bothered. Oh, this is, we might die. Oh no, we're good.
You're actually doing pretty well through this thick ass snow.
I just have to not stop.
Okay. Oh goodness.
Oh, this is off-road. This is not the place I'd like to be.
Indubitably.
Hey, we aren't stuck. Who said front-wheel drive wasn't good in the snow? Oh, I did. Wow, this is this is amazingly good. Actually, ooh. It's not good when you hit boost, but otherwise, it's actually really good at this.
Surprising.
I'm happy.
Makes me want to die because my front wheel drive does really shitty through the winter.
Dude, the little Fiesta's doing work. Oh, might need to clean out my intercooler. Yeah, these snow tires are absolutely amazing in this. This is, what, 1.5 inches of snow probably?
Let's see.
We just got in deep.
The whole finger too, so probably about 2.5, 3 inches.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
I got some pediatric issues, so.
I fell. I'm leaving that in.
Sure.
Yeah, that fresh paint versus hasn't been cleaned in several weeks.
Especially with the snow.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
Yeah. Snow tires putting in work. Let's go ahead and throw the antlers back on since I may or may not have tried to lose them earlier. Check out episode 1 on my channel for a complete how-to install guide on these. Yeah. Squad, bro. Love my reindeer.
vlog, we do skids with Derek.
Alright, I'm letting Micah drive the ST.
Yes, sir.
And, oh no, what's this?
No traction control?
Damn, son, you hit 70. Alright, we're out here. Just pulled up to my buddy Taylor's house. This is his 98, 96 Legacy Outback. Mad exhaust leak right now. Oh! Yeah. This is lifted on Forester struts and springs, bumper delete front and rear, that mad ground clearance and angles and whatever. Put a spoiler on it, not paint match because it looks cool. I know at some point I will get stuck, despite how good these tires are. The only issue that I discovered a while ago, the Fiesta ST does not have front or rear tow points. So we might have issues. So I wasn't recording because I didn't want to die, but I pretty much just slid the Fiesta about halfway up the mountain. And now it's Micah's turn. Sunday!
My name's Micah, and I love it when front-wheel drive cars can do skids.
Woo! Woo!
Derek left me to die out here where I'm all alone. Oh, here he comes! Doing some gnarly snow skids! Hey! That'll boy. Guys, it's cold out here. Just stood in like a foot of freaking snow. Oh. Front-wheel drive? What?
Alright, we're down here at the gas station at the bottom of the mountain. The ST ended up doing way better than I expected it to. I'm gonna call it now, this is the best front-wheel drive drift car in the world. In snow. Ike is sitting in the car because he's cold, so I'll show you the tools we didn't have to use, and also what we found up at the mountain. The hatch is a bit cold. We found a snowboard. So, that come up.
Micah's new board, what's working?
On top of that, our buddy Taylor with the Outback you saw earlier. He loaned me this shovel. Was not necessary. And he also gave me a set of mud flaps. Rally armor, brah. That's probably going to do it for this episode because we're just going to drive home now. Hopefully you enjoyed this upload. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.
You're not filming me, sorry.
Perhaps. This is my mom, everyone. Round of applause for the woman who birthed me.
Derek, I'll look at that over there.